अबे देखो दे रखा है, इसके आगे मत जाओ।
हाँ तो उसके आगे थोड़ी जा रहे हैं। चल मेरी बना अब। अपने कहीं डालने भी नहीं वाला और बस बनाता रहता है।
What's the problem?
You. अंदर घुस जा, कम डाली लोगी पानी के अंदर।
मैं नहीं घुस रहा पानी के अंदर भाई।
अरे क्या?
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to keep it in, read it out till you're mine. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. When I was looking outside,
Hoi An's got this cozy old town vibe, yellow walls, lanterns everywhere, and the smell of food around the corner. Seriously, the food here is next level. You have to try Cau noodles and the local banh mi. They hit different when you're by the river. The music, the people.
So अब हम आए हैं कोकोनट बोट राइड के लिए। इट्स लाइक दिस विलेज, यहाँ पे होता है, इसे सुप 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 घुमाते हैं। विल शो यू।
crush, crush, crush on you. I want you more than just for a night. I'm just saying, you deserve it.
So हम आए हैं अब कोकोनट बोट टूर में, okay, and this is about 30 to 20 minutes from the Hoi An town, and it's very nice. Fortunately, we have very good weather today. It's windy, so we're gonna have some fun.
Hey. Stick to the code with the coast of my pros. I don't play by the rules, gotta switch up the flow. Ay, chill on the weekend, give X's and no. She in love with the kid, I ain't texting the phone. Rocky Gianni got filming this gold. I was packing for Cali, ain't bring me no clothes. Touch that I'm copping a fit off the rip. Met a chick from the netty, you know it's a switch. They saw me quick, so I know it's legit. After we fuck, she meet up with her friends. They like, what happened? You glowing and shit. Cracking the game, got the codes and the glitch. I was outside so long, got frostbite. I ain't never stopped, no way, got foresight. I be on tour, my bros, no tour guide. Peter LaFleur, underdog, get all mine. Soon as they call mine. Ayy, she said I look like OGZ, but this ain't Shoreline. Mob tie, send them to the archive. Go against the fam, goddamn, it's a war crime. Hey, you be on both sides, trying to get a cosign.
Oh my god, it was so fun and so scary.
Okay, how you meet here, Polly?
एक सेकंड के लिए ऐसा लगा मेरा हाथ छूट गया मैं पानी में।
Ole, 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 ole. Bali, Bali. That's a lie.
We took a boat ride along the river in Hoi An, and it was such a fun experience. At one point, the boatsman surprised us by spinning the boat. We could not stop laughing. The views were beautiful, especially with the soft light as the sun began to set, the golden hour. And after this, we're coming back for something really, really special, floating lanterns on the water. It's a tradition that's super meaningful to the locals.
लाइटर तो है ना तेरे पास?
If you're in Hoi An, don't skip the boat ride and definitely float a lantern. It's not just for Instagram. There's something really calming about it. Locals say that when you light a lantern and let it float, you're sending out a wish. And honestly, even if you're not superstitious, it feels like kind of magical. Just being on the river at night with all those lights around, it's one of those moments that stays with you.
So this is the last day in Hoi An, and I think we have a flight at 5:30 to Ho Chi Minh City. You just woke up early to click some good pictures without any crowd, but there's obviously crowd everywhere. It's such a beautiful town, and I'm wearing the same dress that I wore in Bana Hills, but it's a different place. So yeah, reuse, recycle, no shopping. Although I'm strictly against that, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Now my husband is taking out his drone in order to click some good pictures or videos of us. This is how the Hoi An time looks in the day. It's peaceful, beautiful, no crowd, no street shops. Hello, do you think we'll be able to get a good shot today?
I don't know.